Let's now learn how to adjust the brightness of an image. So let me create a new function here called def and then adjust underscore brightness. And then I'm gonna just here create or open an image, the image that we want to adjust its brightness. So let me here say image and then that open, and then we can open the image by passing the image path and then plus and then the name of the image. Let's adjust the brightness of the palms.jpg, this image. Let me show you which image I mean, this image, the palms.jpg, this one. So I'm gonna here say palms.jpg and jpg, and then I'm gonna store it in a variable called palms underscore image, and I'm gonna now call the function that is going to do that. So the function that is going to do that is called brightness, but we need to import another class, a class called image enhancer. So here I'm gonna say comma and then image enhancer, or image enhance actually, image enhance, and then I'm gonna here say image enhance dot brightness, and then it takes the image that we need to adjust its brightness. So it takes the palms image. I'm gonna pass the palms image, and it also needs another call. We need to call another function. We need to call the enhance function. Enhance, and then we pass a number in order to enhance that image. So that number is just a factor. As you can see here, a factor 1 always returns a copy of the original image, and lower factors mean less color brightness, and higher values mean more. There are no restrictions. So you can here pass, let's say 1 point, let's say 2, and then I'm gonna store that new image in a new variable called palms adjusted, and then we can now save that function, that new image. Here palms, and then here also palms adjusted, and then save, and we save it in the new directory. Remember, you can save it in the cropped image, or you can even create a new directory. Let's save it in the let's create a new directory. I'm gonna here create a new directory, and then I'm gonna name it image brightness, and I am going to here pass the complete directory, which is this, and then instead of images, it's gonna be image underscore brightness, and of course inside double quotes, and brightness. Make sure that the spelling is correct, brightness. And then we also need the we also need to give it a new name. So I'm gonna here add / and then the new name. Let's say palms underscore adjusted .jpg. And finally, we can open it. If you wish to open it, you can open it by calling the palms adjusted.show, and we are done. Now you can save, and then you can call this adjust brightness. Let me call the adjust brightness here. Let me save, and then I'm gonna run our script and see what's gonna happen. So run Python file in terminal, and here it says images is not defined, and we have here an error because here it must be image, not images, just image. And let me run one more time and see what's gonna happen. And again, we have another error. Don't worry about these errors. It's good that you get these errors because you will learn from these errors. You will learn how to debug your code. Here it says no such file or directory. So we have a problem. Here the name of the image is incorrect. It must be palms.jpg, and now it should work. As you can see, now it worked, and the new image here, as you can see, this is the new image. Now the brightness obviously is different. If you open the old image, which is inside the images, let me open the old image and compare it with the new image. As you can see, this is the old image. The new image, as you can see, this is the new image. The brightness obviously is completely different. The image is bright, as you can see, because we passed 2. Let's pass a number less than 1 and see what's going to happen. So let me pass 0.5 and save and run our script and see what's going to happen. So if you run your script after passing 0.5, as you can see, the brightness now is different. Now the image is kind of dark. The brightness is less than the original image. This is the original image. The original image is brighter than the new image because we passed 0.5. So if you want to darken the image, you can pass 0.5 or a number less than 1. If you want the image to be brighter than the original image, you can pass a number that's greater than 1. So greater than 1 means a brighter image. A number less than 1 means a less brighter image.